Okay, the moment of truth is to find out hopefully if this is going to work. We got a new fuel solenoid and basically got it off Amazon. So anyways, the fuel solenoid, just so you remember, goes underneath the fuel bolt, which is right here. This is the old solenoid. That's hopefully the reason why the mower won't run. We put a new fuel filter in and we did a bunch of other stuff, so hopefully this is going to work. I got to take this old one out and put the new one in. As you can see, I put 4 wraps of Teflon tape around the end. I'm hoping that this is going to work because it doesn't have a gasket on it. So I guess I'll find out if it leaks. If it leaks, I'll have to go and buy a small gasket for it. Okay, the moment of truth to see if this thing starts now. Fingers crossed. Okay, now we've put a new spark plug in and put some fuel treatment in. So I think there was a little bit of water in the fuel. And let's see if this works. Never run this